and even gets it done that way, because who knows if it's even gonna happen. Idiot going through an intersection?
No, idiot won't go with the fucking green light. Light's green, he's sitting there all fucking day.
I had that last night, I think it was. And I don't know why. It was the light there near Kane's. So I don't know if they just were actually wanting to take a left or what. But I ended up getting into the other lane and honking as I passed by them. Because they still didn't move really till after I passed.
He honked at me like I'm the one slowing him down. He honked at me twice. I blew the horn at him because he was sitting there all day at the green. The light had been green for a long time. And then,
yeah, those are the types that will shoot you or flip you off because how dare you honk at them for doing something wrong?
Yeah, for sitting at a green light all day. Well, then so he blew the horn right as I passed him, and then he blew the fucking horn again, right then whenever I was turning left on it. Expired paper plate 5/28 of 21. Could we go? Jesus Christ. Every fucking day. Go! Fucking prick. He fucking knew he was going to turn there. He could have turned that blinker on sooner. Wow. 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 Can we go, please? Today. Today! Fuck this. These motherfuckers are so goddamn slow. They hate getting to where they need to go, I guess. They fucking hate it. The only thing I can think of. They hate having to go places. They're like, oh, a destination? I don't want to go there. Fuck that. Expired paper plate 10/28 of 21. What the fuck was this crap? Expired paper plate 11/13 of 21. Expired paper plate 4/3 of 2020. That's epic. That's getting her done. And this one expired 5/22 of 21. Expired paper plate 5/22 of 21.
Her name is
Look at this shit. Nobody's gonna be able to get through. My light turned green.
Or is it 20-something? I remember going, wow, this is crap. But what a cool character. Like, the character is so cool looking and so interesting that it, like...
Oh, thank God. Dude, Uber Eats. You're a bicycle, so you're supposed to follow the law of the road. $6 5 of 21.
Sometimes I think if they get the no names, when else does it work though? With the no name or with the name? With the no name. I'm sure there are examples of it. Who was the scientist that was in the wheelchair? Stephen Hawking. Eddie Redmayne. Yeah,
Wow. I had to turn from the other lane to go left. Okay, so you're just gonna sit at a fucking stoplight. Got people doing U-turns at the stop sign. People trying to hit people.